Lesson 4, square root and cube root. So we can take the square root and a cube root of a number by finding the prime factorization, and if you can group it into groups of 2, it's a square root because all of the numbers are itself times itself. And if you can group it into groups of 3, it's a cube root. So we're going to take the first one, 900. 900 divided by 3 is equal to 300. 300 divided by 3 is equal to 100. 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So our prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And if you notice, there's 2 of everything. So we can split this into 2 separate groups that are identical. So one of the 2's is going to go in the first group, the other 2 is going to go in the second group. Same with the 3's. Times 3, times 3, and the 5's. So if you take the square root of this, because you have 2 things under the square root, one thing comes out, the square root of 900 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. So that's how you can take the square root of something and show why they're square root numbers. Square numbers, not square root numbers. That sounds silly. Now we're going to do the next one. So 63,504. So if you take that number and divide it by 2, you get 31,752. 31,752 divided by 2 is equal to 15,876. 876 divided by 2 is equal to 7938. 7938 divided by 2 is equal to 3,969. 3,969 divided by 3 is 1323. 1323 divided by 3 is equal to 441. 441 divided by 3 is 147. 147 divided by 3 is equal to 49. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7, and 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So we have 4 2's, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We have 4 3's, 1, 2, 3, and 2 7's. So because we can group this into groups of 2, we have 2 of these, and 1 of these. So it can be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. And in this other group, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. So the square root of 63,504 is equal to this. And 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 is 252. So this is a proof to show that a number is square. Now we're going to try 3,375. So divided by 5, you get 675. 675 divided by 5 is equal to 135. 135 divided by 5 is equal to 27. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have the prime factorization of 5 times 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3. So because we have 3 of everything, we're going to put it into 3 separate groups. So 1 5 goes into each bracket, and 1 3. So the square root of 3,375 is equal to 5 times 3. Because we have 3 under the radical sign, 1 comes out, and 5 times 3 is 15. So that proves that 3,375 is a cube number. And the last one's 216, so we're going to divide that by 2 and get 108. 108 divided by 2 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the square root of 216 is, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. We want to break this into 3 separate groups. So we have 2 times 3, 1 in each group. So the answer is one of these groups, which is 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. So this proves the cube root of 216 is 6.